Can we talk about like where we're going? Like, what do you think?
This is so funny.
No, like you tease me, dog.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back for another video. Today I'm filming something a little bit different. I'm actually filming a hairstyle tutorial video and just a few kind of hairstyles that I would recommend wearing with scarves. So actually requested on my last video, so I thought I would film it for you guys today. Before we jump into the video, if you guys are not already subscribed, please go ahead, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up and a comment below. I read all you guys' comments. I love going through them. So yeah, and if you guys want to check me out on Instagram, you can go and do that over there. For those of you that are wondering, I will leave a link below to some of my favourite scarves, and I will try and link these below. These two here, just before we get into the hair tutorials, are from Stradivarius. So I just have this red kind of border with a leopard print middle, which by the way is an amazing way to wear leopard print if you're a little bit afraid of the trend. If you don't want to wear it like on a top or on a skirt or on a dress because it's quite a bold print, then a hairscarf is a really good way to incorporate a bit of leopard print. I then have this scarf, which is really lovely, and again this one's from Stradivarius. I believe that places like Stradivarius, Zara, Mango are selling loads of these, so I'll link a few of my favourites below so that you guys can click on them. But then I also have this one here, which is actually from Primark. So this is just another kind of blue scarf. It looks great with white. Was lovely throughout the summer, but is more difficult to transition into winter, but still a great scarf. And yeah, if you want a cheap alternative, check out Primark. Okay guys, that's enough rambling. Let's just jump straight into the video. I'm the best with hair tutorials. I think we've all established that, so bear with me. I'm just kind of getting my bearings, but I thought that this would be a fun little video to film for you guys today. I do not have my hair extensions in. I typically wear hair extensions. I typically wear clip-ins from Foxy Locks. I've worn them for years. I'm not an affiliate with them, don't have any discount codes, sorry guys, but I've worn their hair extensions forever and I really like them for clip-in hair extensions, but I'm not wearing them today just because I want to be a bit more natural today. So we're going to jump into this first look. Okay guys, the most common way that I like to wear hair scarves are actually in a bit down. So the way in which I do this is I pull back some pieces of my hair. I like this to look quite boho, so I really don't do it very formal, if that makes any sense. Like I don't use a brush or anything, I just kind of use my fingers to sort of guide the hair into a little ponytail. Then you can go straight in and tie the scarf, but I actually like to tie a hairband. Just gives me a lot more security, and I do that with a lot of these styles. And then I'm going to use this scarf today. So it's just fold it in half and then I kind of twist it so you have a little something that looks like this. And I'll move around.
Can we talk about like where we're going? Like, what do you think?
This is so funny.
No, like you tease me, dog.
I got mad fire on my aux cord. I speak like I graduated Oxford. And if you're questioning and if you're not sure, then hey, I got some time so we can talk more. Talk more. Got mad fire on my aux cord. What's your preference? Do you like rap or rock more?
And I like to kind of sit like, if you pull pieces at the front, you can pull the scarf and kind of either put it on one side or just kind of let the colour peek through your hair. I don't know if that sounds really strange, but it's kind of like my favourite way to wear it. It's super boho. It looks so pretty. And yeah, I'm obsessed with this hairstyle at the moment, guys. The next way that I love to wear my hair in a scarf is in a low ponytail. So I will typically leave a couple pieces out the front, and then I will literally just tie my hair in a low slung kind of ponytail. Super casual, really good for like second day hair when you don't want to have your hair down. I'll take a scarf like this. I'll only kind of fold it over once, and I will literally just I'll move around again.
So we can unwind, whatever you like, but I got mad fire on the aux cord.
I think this is really pretty. It's quite a dramatic way to wear the scarf, so if you're not into that, you can always loop this round again and again, and then tie it like this. So it's less of a scarf and more of kind of like a scrunchie. I hope you guys can see that. I have no idea what half of these hairstyles will look like. The next way, one of my favourite ways, is a messy kind of bun. So I typically would pull my hair up like this, twist it around like that, and just kind of stick my hair in like a top knot like this. Again, another great way to have my hair when it's a little bit dirty. And then I will take one of my scarves and I will let it out a bit, tie it. So I hope you guys saw what I did there. I took the scarf, I wrapped it around, and then I brought these two pieces over one another, and I just will tie it in a knot like so. So hopefully you guys can see this one as well. It just is a little bit more messy and rushed, and you can obviously loosen this, and just you can play around with all of these hairstyles. Another great way to wear them is once you already have your hair up. So I already have my hair in this kind of bun. I would like to wear it as a headband. So I will just tie it once and then tie again. Pull this down like so and kind of just adjust this on my head. It's definitely more of that pin-up look, and it's a little bit more dramatic. So if you're not into sort of wearing scarves like this, it might not be your cup of tea, but I just think it looks super pretty, especially with like, you can see all the pattern in the scarf, and it's amazing for hiding dirty hair. If you need to wash your hair, this is a great way to wear it because it hides a lot of your hair. So I love to wear my scarf like this. And then again, you can do the exact same thing that you did with that last hairstyle. You can just take your hair down. So I've literally just tied the scarf how I did in the last video, and then I've just taken my hair down and used it more of like a headband. Okay guys, so obviously you can wear these scarves however you want. You can sort of tweak a lot of these hairstyles and play around with them, mess around with them however you want. You can do, like I showed you in one of the first ones, a low bun, a high bun. You can just change the ponytail from a low ponytail to a high ponytail, but it gives it a completely different look once you add the scarf. So there's loads and loads of ways that you can wear this. I could probably go on forever, but I wanted to keep this video relatively short and sweet with my top favorite ways that I wear scarves, because I don't tend to wear them in really extravagant ways. I tend to wear them very standard. If you see me wearing a scarf, it's probably always in a ponytail. But yeah, I had a comment on my last video and I'm absolutely loving them at the moment. I hope that it's a trend that lasts throughout the winter and isn't just a summer trend, because I loved it throughout summer. So fingers crossed it's here to stay. You guys might have seen some photos of me wearing scarves in my hair over on my Instagram. I also love that you can wear these in other ways. You can tie them around handbags, you can tie them around here, you can add them to things. Like, there's so many ways that you can use them. So I actually think they're quite a nice little accessory that shouldn't break the bank as well, but definitely elevate your look a little bit. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out the scarves that I link below. Any questions I'll be happy to ask, and go and check me out on my socials. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day, and I'll catch you all in my next video. Bye guys.